Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you the best homemade lunch you can ever make. I love this lunch. Let's do it. All you need is mozzarella, a tomato, pesto, olive oil, and bread. So first we need to put the bread in the George Foreman and drizzle some olive oil on it. So next, all you want to do is cut your mozzarella and your tomato. And then put some salt and pepper on it. While I'm waiting for the bread to toast, I'm gonna make a latte. Espresso. So first we're going to spread some pesto onto the bread. And then just layer the mozzarella and the tomato. And there you go. Do you guys think Nico Avocado did lose all that weight? Because I personally think it's not him. They don't look that similar. I mean, I just think people think he's lost all this weight, but I just think it's a different guy because they look quite different if you look closely. I ordered my phone case for the iPhone 16 Pro, even though it's not going to be till next month until I get the 16 Pro. I don't know why I did it, but I'll show you the phone case once I get it. I have some exciting news. Next month, I will be going to Dubai for 2 weeks. I will be filming my plane journey there, and for the whole of 2 weeks I'm going to be there. I'm going to try post every day while I'm there. So if you guys could subscribe and you'll be able to see that in a month, that would be amazing. This is delicious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.